Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with a small Aldi's haul. It's a very small one. So let me get right down to business and show you what I got. So I got the L Oven Fresh pre-sliced bagels, cinnamon raisin. I have the premium Italian bread. That's good with sandwiches. I got the Millville Toaster Tarts and Frosted Strawberry. I got the Happy Farms Singles American Cheese Slices. I got the Fuchsia Traditionally Brewed All-Purpose Soy Sauce. Philly Gourmet 100 Pure Beef Sliced Steaks. I got some hot dog buns. The Sea Queen Tilapia, which you always see me get, because it's a good buy. I got these big lemons. These are the biggest lemons I've ever seen. Make some good lemonade with that. I got 2 of these Northern Catch Harvest of the Sea Wild Alaska Pink Salmon. I got 2 of those. I got the Turtley Awesome. It's super premium ice cream by Belmont. Chocolate ice cream with chocolatey caramel turtle pieces and marshmallow swirls. Ladies and gentlemen, this is so good. I got 2 of these. Let me show you the other ones. I got a big thing of peanut butter by Peanut Delight. Berry Hill Strawberry Preserves. Nathan hot dogs. And the Cuties Seedless Mandarins from California, and they're easy pill. They're 3 pounds. The lower sodium bacon. So that's all I got. And this food came to like $42 or $44. I just got in, so I don't have the receipt available. But I also want to tell you all, Aldi Supermarket is hiring. Come meet the hiring managers in person on Thursday, April 5th, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. at Aldi Supermarket, 244 Bloomfield Avenue, Bloomfield, New Jersey. We are looking for outstanding store associates, $12.70 an hour, plus a pay increase to $13.10 after 6 months of employment. Shift managers is $16.95 an hour. The requirements: outstanding customer service, motivation, commitment to teamwork with a can-do attitude. Must be able to work varying schedules to accommodate the operational schedule of the store, including shifts scheduled between 6 a.m. and 11 p.m. 7 days a week. Accurate cash control, cleaning and stocking merchandise, and maintaining the standards of a premier grocery store. Aldi offers a liberal benefit package for eligible employees, including major medical, dental, vision care, paid vacations and holidays, retirement and 401k, comprehensive training provided, strong potential for advancement. So if you fit those requirements, you come Thursday, April 5th, 7 a.m. through 10 a.m. Again, it's at the Aldi Supermarket, 244 Bloomfield Avenue, Bloomfield, New Jersey. So that's it for my haul. You guys, I love you, and I will come back soon.